So here we have the Ford Fiesta ST line on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge as well. And then above that, within the trip computer section, you can see the total miles of the car, which are 2,653. Below that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed. You can change the information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. So, for example, we have a trip computer menu, a vehicle settings, phone, audio, and navigation menus. We then come back around to the beginning again. The buttons that I was using to do that are all on the button just here. We have stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter as well. Over in the centre, we have the touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. You can see this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. And if you come back out to the home screen, you'll see in terms of music options, we've got a few different ways to listen to it. AM, FM and DAB radio. We have Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. And this car's got two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into either of those, they will appear up on here as further options for you. We then have the main volume for the stereo. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, temperature, and the direction of the air. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. We've got a rear heated screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Below that, a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input, or one of the two that I mentioned previously. A 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons here. So you can turn off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system's now turned off. We can turn off the traction control, and this last button will change the car settings from normal to eco or sport. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.